In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add story points to an issue in Jira. Story points are an essential part of project management, especially in agile methodologies, as they help estimate the effort required to complete tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to confidently assign story points to any issue in your project. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Jira account and navigate to your homepage. This serves as your control center, organizing all your projects and tasks. Make sure you're logged in to access all necessary features seamlessly. From your homepage, you'll need to select the specific project you want to work on. This can be easily done by choosing your project from the list on your dashboard. Alternatively, if you have a significant number of projects, you can utilize the search function to locate your project swiftly. Once you're in your designated project, focus on finding the backlog option. This feature is crucial as it holds a collection of all pending issues and tasks you're set to tackle. You'll find the backlog option usually positioned on the left side within the navigation menu. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to a page displaying all the issues waiting to be addressed. Here, identify the specific issue to which you want to add story points. Now, hover your mouse over the selected issue. This action will highlight the issue, making it easier to distinguish from other items in your list. Engaging with the issue in this manner brings up several options for modification. Look towards the right-hand side of the issue's card or detailed view, where you'll find the story points field. Story points are typically used to quantify the complexity, risk, and effort required for an issue. Once you've located the story points field, go ahead and click on it. This action will activate the field, allowing you to input your estimate. Story points are often represented by numbers in the Fibonacci sequence, such as 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, or 13. These values help teams assess workload consistently across different tasks. Choose a number that best fits the effort needed for the issue at hand. After entering your chosen number, you have two possibilities: click outside the field or hit the check button to save your estimate. Saving this data correctly is vital as it ensures your team has an accurate understanding of workload distribution, aiding in efficient planning for upcoming sprints. It's also recommended to update story points regularly to reflect any changes in task complexity or team capacity accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully added story points to an issue in Jira. Following these steps not only helps in organizing your work, but also enhances your team's productivity by providing a more predictable project timeline. Thanks for watching, and remember to practice these steps to become even more proficient with Jira's project management functionalities.